Installing kitchen pallet is easy and takes less than 30 minutes. Included in your kitchen pallet system are a frame, a blank pallet, a template for cutting the hole in your drywall, a packet with all the hardware you need, and the installation instructions. You'll need a few common household tools: a pencil, level, tape measure, a crosshead screwdriver, and either a drywall plunge saw, utility knife, or zip saw. You will also need a drill with a 1-inch bit if a stud is located directly behind either latch. Before you get started, be sure to check the cutout area for any electrical, water, or gas lines, and take care to avoid cutting or damaging these lines. You may want to shut off electrical power and gas to the area. First, use a tape measure to measure the install area. Find your center point and mark it on the wall. Using your level, extend these horizontal and vertical lines so they extend beyond the length and height of the template. Use the template that's included in the packaging and match up the lines on the wall with the marks on the template. Next, hold it firmly and simply draw a line on the wall around the edge of the template. This will be your cut line. Use your drywall saw to cut on the frame outline. You could also use a utility knife or zip saw. Remember, be careful not to cut or damage any lines that may run behind this section of drywall, as drywall is only 1/2 inch thick. You really only need to make shallow cuts. Next, check the opening by placing the frame in the hole you cut out. It's important to make sure the latch slots are at the top, and if there is a stud behind one of the latch holes, you'll need to use your 1-inch drill bit to clear a space for the latch. Now that the frame fits, we can move on to attaching the safety strap prior to mounting the frame. Use the small number 6 screw to attach the safety strap to the top of the frame. Put the frame back in the opening. Now insert the latches in their slots with the T-shape up. Be sure the latches are at the top of the frame. Now insert the pallet into the frame. Push in the top of the pallet until you hear the latches click. It's important to have the pallet in the frame when mounting it to the wall. Don't leave your kitchen pallet unattended. Nothing is secured to the wall yet. Attach the frame to the wall with the anchors. There are 10 anchors in the hardware packet. Make sure you use one in each corner, one additional anchor on each side, and 2 anchors at the top and bottom. In case an anchor does not secure properly, you can use the hole next to it. Make sure not to over-tighten the anchors, and it's important to have the pallet in place when you screw in the anchors. This ensures that everything is square and that the pallet will move freely. After mounting the frame to the wall, latch and unlatch the pallet a few times to make sure it is working properly. That's it! Now you're ready to tile and decorate your pallet in any way you choose. Here are a few tips to consider when tiling around your newly installed kitchen pallet system. Be sure to use a generous amount of adhesive. This ensures that your wall tile will adhere correctly and it will compensate for the thickness of the frame itself. Next, be sure your border tiles line up exactly with the edge of the frame. This will allow your pallets to be inserted and removed correctly. Use your finger to make sure the edge is smooth and lined up. You can use small clamps to hold the tile in place as it dries. Clean away any adhesive that may be on the edge of the tile and the frame with a damp towel. Continue to tile your wall with the field tiles, and that's it. Remember to allow ample drying time before you grout. Swapping out pallets takes literally seconds. Swap out pallets anytime you want a new pop of color or for a special occasion or season. Design pallets however you choose. Be creative with tiles, epoxy, mosaic glass, or whatever you like. And get ready to enjoy your kitchen pallet. For more information, visit our website or call our toll-free number.